Hello guys, thanks for tuning in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys my new long-lasting foundation routine for my acne skin. So let's get started. The first thing that I'm gonna do is to make sure that my face is clean, and then I'll go in and use my Meron skin prep. This is the game changer. This is everything about long lasting. This is everything about staying put. Get your hand on this Meron skin prep. So the next thing I'm gonna do is to moisturize my face with a tiny little bit of moisturizer, because I don't like, since I started breaking out, I found out that the less product you put on your face, the more your foundation is going to last. I like to hydrate my face, and the next thing I'm going to do is to spray my MAC setting spray on my beauty blender. This also helps the foundation to penetrate very well into the skin. For my foundation, I'm using the new L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear Foundation. Like, this name is so long. 24-hour foundation for my face, and the shade I'm using is 515 Mocha, I think so. And this foundation is really good. Like, it holds up, it lasts, and it's very smooth, and it's also very thin. You don't need to put too much foundation on your face, because when you have acne, the more you put, the more visible the pimple will come out. I'm highlighting my under eye with my Revelation concealer in the shade 012, that's 012. And this concealer is very good for concealer. Like, I highly recommend this concealer for anybody at all. After blending my concealer, we'll go ahead and contour my face with my Urban Beauty concealer. This is in my skin concealer. This is a very mattifying concealer, and it dries very fast. So when you are using this concealer, you have to work very fast with it. After applying my concealer and contour, I like to go in and set the face. This one is like the first setting before the finishing setting. I like to go in, set my face, use my beauty blender, and dab into that setting spray into the skin to lock in those concealer, foundation, and everything. And then I'll go ahead and add my setting powder. The setting powder I'm using is from Sacha Buttercup, the banana one, the yellow banana one. When applying my setting powder, I like to push it inside the skin, like you can see, like lock it in. This is how your foundation is going to stay put. Once you set the whole face and lock it in, your foundation is not going anywhere. Even though, just make sure that you set the face, push the setting powder to the skin, let it go inside the skin. So the little one out there, I use my powder brush to brush it out. Sometimes I actually like to leave some of the setting powder under the eye when I'm doing an eyeshadow. Now I'm gonna set my whole face with my MAC powder in the shade that I'm using is N9. I think N9, that's what I'm using. I will just set my whole face with it, and then I will go inside into my Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette. Take this beautiful brown reddish color as my bronzer, and also it will act as bronzer and as a blush. And then on the same palette, I'll use that beautiful yellow shimmer there. Look at that yellow, look at that glow, as my highlighter. And then I will do my lips, not my lips, I will do my eyes, do my lips, set my face, and your girl is ready to go. Please help me like this video and subscribe to my channel, okay? Help your girl grow. This hustle is real. Please. The lashes that I'm wearing is from my own company, and yes, it's available. And if you want to buy it, just holler me on Instagram and I will deliver it to you. Now I'm just gonna do my lips. I'm soaking myself into this MAC setting spray to lock in all those products we just put on our face. Leave a comment down below, tell me what you think about this makeup, and I will see you on my next video. Bye guys.